Hello friends, this is Jaya10. Today I am going to explain you the 10th experiment of Unix lab. The 10th experiment of Unix lab is all about creation of inter-process communication using shared memory. So here are the set of questions which I need to explain. The first question was creation of a shared memory. This is the code. This is the C program code, and hash include IO stream and hash include shared memory.h using namespace std. We are using the shared memory, that is why we are including the header file named shared memory.h, and int main int key. Here we are initializing the variables which we need, and count enter the cout enter the key. The entered key will be stored in the variable called key. Int shared memory id shmid equal to shared memory get of key comma 100, and this key which you are entering will be stored over here for get shared get, and 0764 indicates that read operation. If the shared memory id is less than 0, that indicates that it is not created, and if it is greater than 0, that indicates that it is created. And here the shared attach should consist of shared memory id, so that is why we are giving shmid comma 0 comma 0, and this has to be typecasted as a character, that is why we are giving as character pointer, and that should be given to that should be initialized with virtual address. So virtual address is equal to typecast of character and shared memory attached. So here we are creating another string variable, that is why we are giving as shared character of pointer string, and that string has to be equal to the virtual address. So cout the string and enter the data that will be stored in the string. That after that we are giving sleep of 5. This indicates that we are sleeping 5 seconds, and the received data will be given in str variable. So when we compile this, enter the key, I am giving the key. So and it is asking for enter the data. I am giving as Jaya, it's my name as data. It sleep for 5 minutes, and after that it will give as receive data as Jaya. And the second one was reversing the data which we are given in the first key. So for that we are giving same as the header files IO stream and shared memory.h and string.h, and using namespace std. Int main key, for giving key we are giving that as enter the key, and seen the key, and shared memory id equal to sh shared memory get of key comma 100 comma 0764. This indicates that read operation. If shared memory id is less than 0, that indicates that it is not created, and if it is greater than 0, that indicates that it is created. And we are assigning the virtual address pointer equal to the character pointer of shared memory attach and shared memory id. So we need to reverse the string. The string which we are getting over here has to be reversed over this. So for this we are giving as string of str1 of array. So string str, we are getting the size of the string as int l equal to str1 dot size. This indicates that l consists of the length of the string. For I equal to l minus 1, I is greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus indicates that it will take the string from the reverse order, str equal to str plus str1 of I, and we are copying the string in the reverse order, str comma str dot c. This indicates that the string will be reversed. Cout of str. The output will be given in str variable. So when we compile this, after the output, so we are giving a key, and the reverse of the data will be given as AIH. That's all for the 10th experiment. Thank you.